Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. I'm excited to share that we have a new nail artist joining Cute Polish today. Her name is Becca and she's a huge K-pop fan. Today she will be sharing with you her nail art design inspired by BTS's Not Today music video. Be sure to show her some love by liking this video and welcoming her in the comments below.
Hey, it's Becca. Let's get started. I've already applied a base coat to protect my natural nails, as well as a first coat of polish. For this design, you'll want to paint your index and pinky nails a light gray and the rest of your nails white. Once the base polish is dried completely, section off the gray nails with striping tape as shown. Paint every other stripe black and remove the striping tape as soon as you finish painting a section. Paint between the black stripes with yellow. Fill in the bottom third of your nail with a darker gray polish. On the white nails, use black polish to make some thin, horizontal, jagged lines. Add yellow polish to the inside edges of the lines. This part doesn't have to be neat, you want the edges of the yellow to be kind of rough. Add a bit of orange polish near the inside edges of the lines. Section off the white nails with striping tape and add some thick black stripes to the top and bottom thirds of the nails. This part of the design is inspired by one of the shirts Rapmon or RM wore during the music video. Which member style is your favorite from Not Today? Let me know in the comments below. Add thin gray lines on either side of the black bars. Use black polish to write "Not" in the center of the middle fingernail. Use black polish to write "Today" in the center of the ring fingernail. Use black polish to write BTS in the center of the thumbnail. Finally, finish off with a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.